Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We put the negative go inside about this one. Next, I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Next, because we have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one we do first the derivative of y squared. We have 2y. We have dy, so that means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. This one we have 2x. This one we have number 1, so we have negative 2y. We don't have x, so you got number 0. So we see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. Now, we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So, I will put this one gone here plus 3xy. The integration of x squared, we have x to the power of 3 over 3. 2x, that is about x squared y. The next one, that is about xy squared. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one we have 2y. So we know that this one equals to this one. And now we simplify for the both sides. We have negative y squared. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one we have negative y to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. Now we need to go back in here. We know that the integration of this one we have 3xy. 3xy, that's it from here. And now we need to change 3xy into this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy in here. fxy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.